Shaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Spell for ex-lover back. Ex back agree to girlfriend for marriage. Agree to boyfriend for marriage. Ex back girlfriend. Ex back boyfriend. Ex back wife. Ex back husband. Most powerful spell in the world. Ex back lover. This talisman is very powerful. Is back a girl 7 ocean, back a boy 7 ocean, back a husband 7 ocean, back a wife 7 ocean. Most powerful spell in the world. It is old centuries love talisman. It is a dangerous spell for love. It is a fire. It is a fire talisman of love. It is a torments the beloved like a fish. It is a talisman to bring the beloved in minutes. Beloved will follow like a dog, just a man's dog loyal, so the lover also become his slaves. Most powerful spell in the world. I do black magic on this moon. I do black magic on this moon, affect the whole world quickly. People from the every country of the world make a magical magic to me. Many people do this procedure with me. It has an immediate effect the whole world quickly. I am black magic astrologist and herbal remedy spellcaster. With my work, you are 100% guaranteed and safe with my spell. I cast the make your spouse come back in 24 hours, 12 hours following. I am spiritual specialist. I help with all kinds of spiritual problems. So you can contact me on my WhatsApp number plus 923305919192. Please visit my website www.talismiamliad.com and you can order this talisman from me. FIVERR ID link in description. You can order this talisman. Your work will be done 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. Most powerful spell in the world. Most powerful spell in the world. Most powerful spell in the world. For any spiritual problems, for example, love spell, ex-back girlfriend, ex-back boyfriend, ex-back wife, ex-back husband, money spell, marriage spell, court case spell, ex-back love spell, good luck spell, separation spell, divorce spell, lottery spell, cast out court spell, promotion in work spell, protection spell, voodoo spell. Most powerful spell in the world. How to make a talisman. How to make a talisman with names. For example, you are a boy, agree to girlfriend. Al-Hub your name, your mother name. Allah-Hub your lover name, bin your lover mother name. This spell is your complete. How to use it, this talisman. How to use it, this talisman. Make it talisman 21 times. Return make a talisman. Daily 2 burn this talisman. One morning burn this talisman and second burn this talisman. Most powerful spell in the world. If you want to do this work me, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number and share my video on your friends. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.